People are making huge amount of money from social media in 2026. Okay. Now, is it possible to make money from all these three platforms? That's Facebook, Instagram, and then YouTube. Yes, it's possible, but with the right guidelines, with the right niche, with the right strategy. Okay. Now, if you're someone like me with zero background about how to start social media, how to earn money from it, this video is for you. The reason why I made this video is because most people that teach about these things promise you stuff that's not real. I'll give it to you plain. It is not easy to make money on social media, okay? But it's possible, okay? But in order to get there, you need to be consistent. You need to have a strategy. You need to have a good niche. Okay. You need to be consistent. Again, let me say it again. In order for you to reach this type of earnings. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money from all these three platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, and then YouTube. I left TikTok out is because TikTok has a different issue. Okay. I will say that later. But in today's video, let me encourage you that you can make money from social media. You can, only if you are serious that you want to do it. So if you see on my screen, you can see that this particular person made $6,000 in the last 38 days. And if you even go back and then search for Facebook earnings, just search for Facebook earnings, you are going to see earnings that people have posted on the account. So you can say that this person just I think she recently unlocked her monetization. So yes, if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, if you're in Kenya, you can get monetized on Facebook. Okay, but it demands specific amounts of um followers and viewers. Okay, but they don't display that to you. Facebook will not display to you that we need 3,000 followers, we need 1,000 followers, 10,000. No, they will monitor your page and make sure that your page is suitable to show ads. That's the only time they monetize you. Someone can have only 1,000 followers, but they will be monetized. But you having 50,000, 60,000, you will not be monetized. Yes, there's a reason for that. Some niche is useless. Let's say you are making this AI tomatoes head and then this potato head. All those, forget, you are not going to get any money from that. But if you pick a niche that people really need, let me give you a perfect example like Christianity. If you're posting about Christianity, Bible verses, stuff like finance, all those things attract more viewers. And when Facebook sees that these people are attracted to your videos, they start showing ads. That's when you get what monetized and start earning money. Okay, so before you get there, I'm going to teach you how you can plan everything from A to Z. So make sure that if today is your first time in this channel, make sure you follow us and make sure you follow us till the end of this season. So it's a season. I'm making a lot of money. Sorry, I said money. I'm making a lot of videos on this particular Facebook thing. Okay, so people are really earning it. Let me show you better pictures. The ones I'm getting is not okay. So yeah, I'll show you my own because I have to show you my own to make you believe what I'm saying. Okay, now all these are earnings from people in Nigeria and Ghana and stuff. So now let me take you to my own page where I have made money by posting on Facebook. Okay, so I started this comedy niche, last year, December, and I got monetized on February. That's 2 months later. So I'll teach you how you can do that and be consistent. Okay. So this is my page. Let me take you to my earnings real quick. So here you'll notice that my view counts, all these are dropping because I'm not consistent. That's why I said I'm not consistent. So you need to listen to what I'm saying, because if you listen to what I'm saying, I've gone through it. You are not supposed to also go through it. Okay. So these are the earnings I've made in the past 38 days. So I can open that for you here. Here, yes. So in the past 38 days, I've made about 290 something, 98 or something dollars. That's almost like that's almost $300 in June. Yeah, let me say that way, in June. Okay. So now these are the ways you're going to earn money from Facebook. For me, the option they give me is subscription and then um ads monetization. Okay. Somebody can get stars, subscription, and then affiliation. Okay, but since my my page is suitable for ads monetization, they allowed me to show ads on my platform. Okay, good. So as I was saying, you make money with what? Ads. So all these skits that you are watching, you notice that at some point to be showing ads on it. Yes, those ads are being paid for. So the creators are being paid by showing us on their videos. That's everything you need to know from Facebook. Okay, you can also have affiliation links. The affiliation links is when you pick a link from a shop, a store, a business center, and you want to advertise their product on your page. That's the affiliation what link. You are going to add the link to your post, so that link is going to show with the link and everything. So when the viewer clicks on them, it demands a number of clicks, number of views for them to what compensate you. Do you understand? So other ways you can also earn on Facebook, they also give bonuses. Now these bonuses are very helpful because these bonuses are like, it's just like helping you to it's like motivating you to make more videos. So for me, I have 57 bonus if I post 19 reels, and all those 19 reels are 60 seconds and above and are qualified for 109 views. Do you understand? So it's simple. My videos are getting views, so I can easily get this. Do you understand? So fine. Let's move on to Instagram. So Instagram, how are you going to make money from Instagram? Yes, it's a question. Now, for Instagram, for IG, there is no ads monetization. If somebody have told you that, is not true. There's no ads monetization. So what people do is that they drag people to their sites, their page, their PDF, their apps. Do you understand? So IG is mainly known for that. And the main income stream in IG is affiliation links. The main income stream. So companies, fashion companies, cosmetics, all these people target models on IG because that's where you find all the models. So they target the models and then they advertise on the models what page. So the model is going to accept that I want to what work with you. Do you understand? So these are the pages that you can get. We have Shopify affiliation, we have Auni, we have Amazon Associate. All these stores provide affiliation for people who want to advertise their products with a social media model or social media page. Do you understand? So we'll go through this later. But now let's go through the earnings, the type of earnings that you are going to get. So if I go to my dashboard, I've been making some views. I've not yet added any affiliation to my page. Yes, but I'm thinking of doing that later on. But let me show you what the whole earning thing is about on IG. So yeah, so recently I was given a chance to they opened me to stars. Okay, so if somebody send you stars on IG, you can convert that for money. Okay, if only you request for them. If you don't, you are not going to get them. Yes, you are not going to get money. Let me say that you are not going to get money from them. Okay. Let me try and Okay, I think I'm at the wrong place. I think I'm at the wrong place. Yeah, so using IG on a desktop is quite tricky for me. So you have to be patient. I don't know. Supposed to be showing somewhere here. Anyway, so that's the whole thing. So in order to make money on IG, you need to have the affiliations. Okay, you need to have these affiliation links and stuff. Now the other stuff, let me show you other things that you need to get. So you notice that if you are watching IG, most of them be like, click on this link, comment this, comment that, and then I'll send you a post, I'll send you a link, I'll send you a PDF, I'll send you a course. All those are form of income stream for the creators on IG. Okay, so you can also do that as well. So IG is not much, but I mean it's nice. It's okay to if you're having a fintech app, if you're having a, a store, or if you are doing e-commerce, you can use IG for that. Now, the main big boy, that's YouTube. Okay. Now, YouTube have been there for a while. You know, that's where I've been, teaching my stuff. And yeah. So, YouTube is the best place you are going to make money. Okay. So, YouTube and Facebook, they are the best places you can make money from. Okay. Now, someone asks, how do people make money on YouTube? Yes, let me break down for you. So YouTube have a lot of options that you can use to make money. Yeah, about 5 or 6 compared to Facebook and IG. Okay, so that's why it's the best. So this is my main page that I use to make every videos. Mostly, if you guys could please push me to 10K. God will bless you. So yeah, if you're not watching any of my videos, try and watch them. You're going to get a whole knowledge of how to make money online. So the earning part. So YouTube helps you earn through ads that they are going to show ads on your full videos, that your desktop size videos. You're also going to get paid from short ads, and then membership. Membership is when you create a course or you create something that you don't want to share it publicly, but you want to share it for people who have subscribed to your channel. We have subscribed and then we have subscribed. Do you understand? Subscribe for membership is when you pay to join the person's page or playlist or video. And subscribe is just when you have subscribed to the person's page. Do you understand? So you can add subscription to your page in order to earn money from that. And then you also have gifts. Now, a gift is when somebody willingly send you a gift, and mostly it's a button that shows under your video. But I am from for Africa and some countries in Africa, we don't see them because it's mainly made for the US citizens and the Europeans and stuff. Okay. You can also make money by adding your shop. So if you have an online shop, an online drop shipping company, you can add those products to the channel so that Facebook can show those products. YouTube can show those products to your viewers. Now, the last part is partnership. So, as I was saying on Facebook, you can partner with companies to talk about their product. Do you understand? Simple as that. Now, I've shown you all the ways you can earn money from Facebook, Instagram, and then what? YouTube. So, let me show you the amount of money that I've gotten from YouTube in order to motivate you to do what you are doing. Okay. So for the past 30 days, I've not been making videos that much because the last video I made was I think a week ago, or those people that are active on my page. So yeah, 24 days ago, so almost 30 days. That's like a month. I've not been posting for a while, so that's why my earnings have dropped. So yeah, let's wrap up. That's everything you need to know about making money on social media. Okay, so if today's your first time joining my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and then you comment next video. Comment next video so that I'll post the following video, how we can find our niche, how you can set up our page, how you can start posting, editing videos everything we posted here in this channel. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and then also find the playlist. I've added the playlist for social media money. I've named it like that. So you find that playlist and then you join. So today's if you achieved something from this video, you know what to do. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.